How to draw vertical lines on a given plot. Given a plot of a signal in time representation, how can I draw lines marking the corresponding time index? Specifically, given a signal plot with a time index ranging from 0 to 2.6 seconds, I want to draw vertical red lines indicating the corresponding time index for the list 0.22,058,956, 0.33,088,437, 2.20,589,566. How can I do it?
The standard way to add vertical lines that will cover your entire plot window without you having to specify their actual height is plt.axlen. Or you can use many of the keywords available for other plot commands, for example color, line style, line width. You can pass in keyword arguments ymin and ymax if you like in axis coordinates, for example ymin equals 0.25, ymax equals 0.75 will cover the middle half of the plot. There are corresponding functions for horizontal lines, axlen, and rectangles, axspan.
matplotlib.pyplot.vlins versus matplotlib.pyplot.axlen. These methods are applicable to plots generated with seaborn and pandas.dataframe.plot, which both use matplotlib. The difference is that vlins accepts one or more locations for x, while axlen permits one location. Single location, x equals 37. Multiple locations, x equals 37, 38, 39. Vlins takes ymin and ymax as a position on the y-axis, while axlen takes ymin and ymax as a percentage of the y-axis range. When passing multiple lines to vlins, pass a list to ymin and ymax. Also, matplotlib.axis.axis.vlins and matplotlib.axis.axis.axlen for the object-oriented API. If you're plotting a figure with something like fig x equals plt.subplots, then replace plt.vlins or plt.axlen with ax.vlins or ax.axlen, respectively. See this answer for horizontal lines with dot lines. Seaborn axis level plot. Seaborn figure level plot. Each axis must be iterated through. For region equals frontal, The maximum value of both events occurs at 5. Bar plot and histograms. Note that bar plot tick locations have a zero-based index, regardless of the axis tick labels, so select X based on the bar index, not the tick label. ax.get_tick labels will show the locations and labels. Time series axis. The dates in the data frame to be the x-axis must be a datetime D type. If the column or index is not the correct type, it must be converted with pd.to_datetime. If an array or list of dates is being used, refer to converting numpy array of strings to datetime or convert datetime list into datepython, respectively. X will accept a date like September 24, 2020 or datetime 2020, 9/2.
For multiple lines.
To add a legend and/or colors to some vertical lines, then use this. Results.
What does you want? Please also